Hi everyone, my name is Tamika Campbell. I'm with Tamika.com. As you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and we'll be having conversations around. Joining with me today is none other than Tamika Thompson. She's actually one of the persons in Jamaica with the youngest survivor of lung cancer. Tamika, okay. It is really a pleasure and honor to have you share with us in our virtual studio and to share with our audience what we need to do in terms of cancer. But much more importantly, after being diagnosed, what we should do next. This is a conversation about the next step, what we do after the diagnosis, and talk about urgency and experience. So, Tamika, welcome to Jamaican How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I'm good.
Lovely. So, Tamika, let's start with the diagnosis. Can you just give us an idea of how you were feeling? What was everything like leading up when you found out?
Okay. At age 30, there was a lump that came up in my left breast. It was it wasn't that small lump where you just feel and it was abnormal. The shape different. So we went to the doctor on my mama line, did a surgery. It was malignant. 14, it came back again. When it came back a little bit bigger this time. And still abnormal. At 15, all was well, living life, enjoying life. Then at 16, here it comes again. But this time it comes very huge. So when you see me, you see one side heavier than one. Yeah. Because to how it grows and it was abnormal, big one. So we decided to change doctor. Um, Went to the doctor in April 1994, did a surgery. By Good Friday, I was told it was cancerous. And by the 23rd, I had was mastectomy, which is the removal of the breast. Okay. Um, After doing that, no, I didn't do any treatment. No chemo, no radio. Surgery did it all. And my doctor got in touch with me to reach the recovery. Yeah, so I had my family standing by me, my friends reached the recovery. Yeah, so them allow me to cry on them shoulder and guide me through everything. And um, after the surgery, no, I was like a bit depressed, a bit shame, shy, everything, because I didn't really know how to deal with it. I told myself that okay, can't do sports like how I used to do it because I must not get any cut, no pain, mustn't soak in water too long with my left arm else to swell. So you're restricted from doing certain things as a teenager. Right. So I was like, oh, I can't dress certain way like how I used to. Not that I used to. But certainly the outfit as a young teenager growing up, I know out about these little things. I said, sure, expose certain things. So I was afraid to do certain things like, but then after a while I started to accept myself. Yeah. At one point I said I want to have a boyfriend. I Because, the little stigma when you hear cancer, you hear, oh, this a death center, the big C, the banana, them like, yeah. But I get over those. I actually had a boyfriend and he told me it wasn't the end of the world. Yeah. And then I started to dress, feeling comfortable in myself, looking in the mirror and say, yeah, yeah, that's you, girl. You're beating this and yeah, Scully. Doing these little stuff that started doing these stuff that teenager used. But I still had problem with my peers because I didn't have problem with men or boys. I had problem with most females. Like, yeah, because I was teased about it a lot. So in front of them, tough. But when I go home and lock the door, be bad. Yeah. But then as I said, my mom was there, family, reached to recovery. God, no prayer. Not till my mother was a praying mom. She was a praying mom. Yeah. She had my back. She had my back. Yeah. So she was my pillar of God. My body. Yeah.
Yeah, Tamika, I'm here. It's like I don't even know what to say here, but honestly, I would just say on what you shared with us, you are you have trained a thousand people. I couldn't imagine what being at that age going through all of this is like. And you mentioned so much about your mother being a pretty woman. You spoke a little bit word. I want you to elaborate a little further about what one some of the things that outside of your mother, your friends, your family, what did your support look like? Because I can imagine persons who may be going through this now, they want to know how do they support their loved ones and their family and friends and they found out they've been diagnosed with cancer. So I want you to share with us how your family and friends kind of show up for you that they can support after they seem their family.
Okay. My friend. Oh my God. Oh, they would leave school and come and look for me. Yeah, they would. They would sit there and they will tease me. They tease me about it, Ask if them to tease me. I not in a bad way. Not in a bad way. Because at that time, before the surgery, I was this person who loved to run joke. So every little thing we make joke. Right? So we never used to take certain things serious. So they would use it to tease me for me to. So at one point I wasn't really like into them, but they don't leave me out. They were like, Tamika, come. I know some know you, so you normally shake it off. It's not the end of the world. Shake it off. We are here for you. I have friends from then up until now. Same way. They have been there with me through everything. They would encourage me. They will come with me to meeting if I have to go to meeting. They will come with me to the doctor with my mommy just the same way. My sister, she didn't live out here, so she will be on the phone with me all the way. My brothers, them by me. My dad, just the same way. My extended family was there also, cause them wild them. Oh, anything you want to get. Yeah, yeah. So they were there. So family should always hand side their family when they're diagnosed. Be there because when you don't have the family help, friends, or as I said, reach to recovery, not to reach to recovery. My God, them call me all the while. You all right? You're good. Don't be afraid to call me. There's this particular lady. Oh God, she was like on my back, on my back. My doctor introduced me to her. She was like, call me anytime. If you want ball your back, call me. Just ball see it. Just call me, feel it. So they were like there for me. One was there for me, push me, build up my self esteem because I had a low self esteem. I had one. Yeah. So no, oh my God, not nobody. So when I walk and I meet her, oh, baby girl, you look good, and rest them up. Because I know, and it's all mine, you know. That I'm like, I just have to give God thanks and I'm still here, and I still have them around me, same way pushing me, yeah, same way, and so nothing bother me anymore. When you come on to this, ah, no, you can't say anything. It doesn't even shit me. I'll just laugh. Anything else? Yeah. Oh, you finished? Okay, fine.
So it just runs up off your back like a duck. Honestly, that is just so beautiful to hear you do this. I know that it's inconvenience. I call my mother with father flu and it's I can imagine how you must have felt to have that show of love around you from friends and stuff. Yeah. And I hope for watching that we know someone who may be diagnosed that we show up for them just as how speak out
Yeah.
extended family, the friends that kept calling all the time. I really loved how you said that they sort of reminded you of who you were. You're the fun, jovial, jokesy person. It doesn't have to be the end of that. So it was absolutely lovely that you had that support. Firstly, I want to give you our trouble, Tamika, because I'm over here.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So, Tamika, we spoke about the family support. I remember you said earlier that you didn't do things like chemo.
Yes.
Tell us about the things that you did do in terms of treatment and
Yeah.
how that were that.
As I said, surgery did it all. Surgery did it all. All I had was to do like every month I go for checkup. If they it was 6 months, they would ask me to do a ultrasound or a X-ray, something like that. Yeah, back in the day. I didn't do any other treatment. As for eating habits, oh, I had was to cut out all the niceness that I love. I couldn't eat ice cream. I couldn't eat cake. I couldn't eat peas. I couldn't. Actually, most of the food I couldn't eat. So I have to change my diet completely for about 2, 3 years. And then when I couldn't deal with no more, I said, can't try something. We can't take a little. So he started me a little. Till now we get enough more. But I try not to eat too much skin products. Try not to. And I still watch how I eat. So vegetable and all those things. I try not to eat too much meat, such. Yeah, my daughter would say to me, "Mommy, everything you could just put vegetable." But that's well, that's how I did it. And as I said, just cut off all the food for first diagnosis. No meat, no. Just change the diet there. Green juice and you know, basically I throw the expense. But
Mm-hmm.
it was never, in the days it's expensive, but never so expensive like now. Yes. So it was my mom and my dad that did it all. Then so I don't know much about the expense, but I said it was that expensive. While now it is so expensive to do these things. That is why we have to think around. Yeah. So think
But
around them.
I'm not sure that's not my question, but what I'm create me now, but yes.
So the big one is here to have this thought. But I should say those that cannot afford to treatment fully can help us. So just get in touch and reach there or something and have a talk. And that's where it goes from there. Help is there for us. The help is there. God, all things are possible. Thank
All right, thank you so much, Tamika. So I know that he said, all right, so it's figure per se the expensive because mommy and daddy really just plan
you.
comparatively, it perhaps it's not as expensive as it is now. And then you did talk about dietary changes. So have thoughts that you're doing now or any other lifestyle adjustments you would have made post diagnosis?
I as I said, the as for vegetable and certain things I don't eat now. But otherwise than that, my going back on the cake and ice cream and then stuff there, which I'm not supposed to, but no one then would hurt me. Try to be under, I don't drink alcohol. Definitely don't. I don't fool around alcohol because I was told at a young age, retaining to eat and cancer, don't mix. So I don't fool around alcohol, not at all. So basically, yeah, just I'm just living and eating what I can eat and praying and live life.
Love, thank you so much, Tamika. So we're winding down, but you already preempted me about the thinker on. That's a good question. Tell us, so you said, explain to us as openly as possibly can why people should do the thinker on. Even if I'm not diagnosed, why should I come up and run all of this panic care? Why is it important? What does it do for the person to be impacted by it? Why pink?
Okay. As I said, Pink Crown is there. It's a it's a fundraiser, right? It helps with those treatment for those that have cancer and such. So yes, people can come on out, donate, walk for us. Just come in our little family circle, see us, get to know how we manage to survive, or we do this with, the strength that we have and all that. Just come to our little family and know us and just donate, donate and help us. Yes.
Yeah, people donate. For everybody, Pink Cross is an amazing cause. I mean, for this all, you're gonna make my commitment to be there October 29th, right?
Right. Yes.
October 29th, Sunday. We'll get dinner early and come up, meet and everybody and support where you're pink so that those who are diagnosed with cancer can get the support and treatment that they need. Tamika, I know I did say that was my last question, but I want you to share with us perhaps what would be your sense of your, you say to persons or young women like myself who have been diagnosed or just young women in general, what thinking about when it comes on to their health and breast cancer, just with the thing that comes to your heart, the encouragement and inspiration.
When you hear of cancer, mostly people think it's a death sentence. It is not. Yeah. So I would encourage you to just your diagnosis, get the treatment, family support. You have the family support. You have others out here who is there for you, which is restore recovery, right? And just watch how you eat, exercise, live. Don't worry about it. Just live. Pray and trust God. And just live. Don't make nothing. Don't let it stop you from living. Don't. Because the moment you stop and worry about it, that's the moment you give up. You let it stop you from or hinder you from doing things. Don't. Sky's the limit. Cancer don't stop us. We have one life to live and we're gonna live it to the fullest no matter what it got it out.
Tamika, I'm over here crying in my house. Thank you
Well,
so much. I felt that, and I think everybody else would feel it too. I think what really stuck out for me during our conversation is just how much you did not allow this diagnosis to be the end of Tanika. You're able to be your funny self, your jovial self, your fun self. It's coming out in our conversation. So I agree with what your friends are talking about. You've had children. You've been living a normal life. It's not its maintenance and notwithstanding the emotional and mental toll. That's why support from our family and friends so important so that we feel that we have the power and strength to keep people on. Tamika, thank you so much for sharing your time,
you're
your
welcome.
expertise, your story with us. And I truly hope that you're empowered and take from this all that you have shared. Support the Pink Round over 29. You icing of your eye every time. Tanika, thank you so much. Your straight,
Well, you're welcome.
admirable your personality shows, and thank you
Thank
so much. And you enjoy the rest of the year.
you, guys.
Everyone that's in our contribution, follow us on social media where you can see all the amazing stories that we have and the Jamaicanized content for you. I'm Campbell and signing out. Hi, Tanika.